Hey guys, Dotson guys here at MarineMax Charleston. We're going to showcase our 2019 195 from Scout Boats. We got this particular boat in the standard white with the T-top option. We've got that T-top with that powder coated white to match that hull, so it accents everything nice and cleanly. On the back here, we have the optional trim tabs tucked in, nice recessed sporty style transom, molded off their 35-footer. We have a standard swim platform with steps. We also have the standard Yamaha 115. You can do the optional 150. So if it's something you're important, we can definitely find the right boat for you. We're going to take a step on inside. Now we're in the cockpit of the boat. We're in the aft. 2 port and starboard seats. These are standard seats with the high backs on the back here. I'm recessed enough to where I feel comfortable, but it's also not to where I'm down in the boat and I can't see anything. This boat, this 195, is an 8.6 beam, which is more commonly seen on 21-foot boats as far as competitors. As we walk through, you'll see the spacing throughout, and there's no tight spots or tight issues. Under both these seats, you do have storage, and it's finished. We have easy access to our systems as far as pumps and water fuel separators. And again, it's a finished, clean bilge. So long-term maintenance keeps it easy. Under both the port and starboard, we do have end-gunnel rod storage. So you have that standard. This is the standard live well, or leaning post live well as well. Big recessed live well, lit as, with blue LEDs. The removable backrest. So if you do want to use those optional rod racks, you can. And grab holds for your aft passengers. Large console, very tall again. It's got a great spot for your electronics to be recessed and mounted. Fusion Garmin again, or Fusion stereo, excuse me. This is the optional with the 4 speakers. Digital tacks. It's got a tiltable helm, steering knob, standard. Got a pull-out step, so if you don't want those feet hanging. We have our system panel with our simple on-off switch, and our glove box, which has got our USB chargers, our 12-volt chargers, as well as our auxiliary hookup for our stereo. We'll bring you on around, look inside the console here. You can get the optional portapotti. So you see the recessed spot, portapotti gets mounted up on that ledge, so you can get into it. Again, nice, clean, simple console. Easy to work on after the fact, but as well as not to where it's a whole bunch of things in your way. Moving to the front, we have the bow cushion option with the backrest. 2-3 people very comfortably. And again, nice and deep gunnels for safety. As you move around the front, the gunnels are a true walk around as you move forward and aft. Very fishy characteristics, again, from this brand that's always known to fish, but as well as for cruising comfortably with the family. You have the cooler seat in the front here. And we have battery access just underneath there. Flip up this bow cushion, which is designed to hinge on the wall. And then you have the bottom of your anchor locker storage, and as well as the recessed locker for all your dry bags. This is all insulated, so you can put the plug in there and use it for a fish box on those fishy days. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour of our Scout 195 2019. Excuse me. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. And again, this is Dotson with MarineMax.